Hey Pogo friends, today we'll be opening this weird bottle shark. I'm kidding, I know it's a Treasure X with another thing we have bought. This is my first one, just letting you guys know. And let's get to it. Yeah. Okay, open. Open. Eat it! Oh, it opens. Yes! Oh, it's like a bath toy. Oh man, skills. So easy. Is that rip? That's rip. Yeah, no. Yep. Done. Yeah. Oh, it's a spear. There it is. Here.
I think it's a trident.
Freaking. I meant trident.
Ugh, it's guts. Oh God, I'm gonna get sick.
So.
Oh, you're ripping its guts out. Ugh, that's disgusting.
It's just slime.
Hey.
What? It's just slime.
It's guts.
Slime.
It's guts.
My dad's crazy, guys. Yes. Found it.
Oh.
Dad, please stop.
What is it?
His armor, just like the Dino Transformer. Last video we opened and dissected dinosaurs. Not dissected, but you guys know what I mean. Opened. Still chill. Sorry, dog's hungry. Oh, come on.
What's that?
I think his armor. Yeah, it should be his armor. Put it on. Put it on. Oh, it's got a nose ring. Oh, it's just step 2. Oh yeah, that was step 2. Oh. What the heck? There's a box in here. What the? Yes. No. Yes. Fine. Guys, don't say, oh, why didn't you use a real knife? Shush.
Be careful, please.
I am. Yes. 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 No. 2 layers? Would be rude. Oh, come on. It's like 15 layers. Yeah. Oh, crap. Yeah. Yes, finally. Kidding me? It's a crab.
It's a crab?
Are you serious? All the things we could have got.
All that work for a crab.
Yeah.
Alright, let's put this thing together.
Yep.
Okay.
Cough up the change.
Show
Oh,
them.
there it is. Hi. So this is it fully done. How do you...
It doesn't shoot, it's just the holder.
Okay, thank you for telling everyone. Let's get on to the next one. Swim. Fly away. Sorry guys, I'm distracted. Oh, and yeah, the crab's gonna help. I'm allergic to the rules.
Right.
Oh, what?
You're supposed to take that sword out and stab in there.
Look like I'm trying to, do you? Kind of sword. Oh my god. Sorry. Hold on. I dropped a mustache. Okay, that's off.
Now you can put your sword together.
Back. Yeah, that's not a good idea. Glitter! I was in a package. You. I think I got an ultra rare, guys. Okay, chill, Dad. Dad made this look really fun.
Yeah.
We got him out! Why, yeah. Colossal. Yeah, this is... like cheese. Ah! I do not. This is why I'm not a pro chef yet. Well, I am. Not really that good. Step. Guys, think about if this is an ultra rare. And let me know if you got it. If you get one. Go in his mouth, dude. Chop. Die! Seriously? Yeah, I'm keeping this. It's weird and I love it. So, cut that. If he can even stand still. Here, we'll just get rid of that. My sword. And comment, dang it, I'm gonna have to make the comment section because I say comment down below and there's no comment section. Is it easy? Oh. Is it fun? Maybe. Cut his head off.
Cut his head off.
Exactly. Rip. Yeah, the ad made this look super easy.
Is it not super easy?
Not really. Okay, perfect. I almost got this completely out. Stay tuned for the ending. It's probably not gonna happen. So, we got him built. Hey, look! I'm gonna be eating. Don't ask, his legs keep falling off. Okay, we're trying to get. Where's the knife? Okay, our scissors work. The ad made this look so fun, but ow.
I hit it harder. Judy, chop it. What's in it?
That. Not a good idea after you break this. Just don't hit it again. Okay, you know what you should hit? The subscribe button. Give a like, subscribe, and hit that ding-a-ling bell. Make sure your cat hits it and plays with it. See ya. Bye.